Hey, what's going on TikTok? So, the question I got for you today is what is a mechanic gonna do when he's way overqualified for the area that he's living in? All his family's in that area, so moving really isn't an option. But there's nowhere where, that mechanic can earn what he's actually worth. You know, that every employer kind of uses the excuse, well, oh well, because of the area, you know, the cost of living is so low, that's why we don't pay as much. If you were to go move to a big city, then you can make more money. Not happening. And that whole cost of living being cheaper down here, not true. I've lived many other places that are way cheaper. And we're right in the middle. So, what is a technician to do when, they can't earn what they're worth? Well, guess it's time to take a page out of the old playbook of what I've had to do before. Oh well.